Hi, Amber.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
Oh, good. Thank you. So, do you have a smartboard in your classroom?
Yes.
Yeah? How do you feel about that?
It's lots of fun because we get to do fun activities on it.
Yeah, what kind of activities do you do?
Math warm-ups and stuff.
Yeah? So, how would you describe a smartboard to someone who's never seen it before?
Well, it's kind of like it's a mixture of a chalkboard and a projector screen and a whiteboard.
Yeah? And what is your sorry? Go.
And you can project your computer stuff on it.
Oh, yeah? So, what does your teacher do with the smartboard?
Well, she writes my agenda.
Yeah? Does she take your app song?
Yeah. See, what we do is we drag our names across into this section,
Okay.
and then all the other people do it too.
Okay.
And if say there's one person in here still,
Yeah.
or two, or four, and that means they're not here.